guys, we're doing a really quick unboxing today. So today we got this from Apple. Let me just open this up. So that's how it came in, this type of thing. That was the shipping. So this came shipped straight from Apple, and it took, let's say, about 2-3 days. I think it was only 2 days actually. So this is the box that it comes in with. And yes, you guys can get something about 10 times cheaper online, which I will be comparing later on in other videos. So I will be making a video where I compare the cheap third-party ones versus this Apple original one. Okay, so the Apple original adapters are actually pretty pricey. They're, depending on your country, they're gonna be worth around 40 bucks or so. So I'm buying this adapter for various reasons, not just for my camera, but also test it out on a microphone. Since, as you guys know, the new iPhones only have this, don't have the regular audio. So let's just take out this guy. And yes, this is just an unboxing video, it's not a review. I'm just gonna show you exactly what comes in the box, and it's pretty simple. You guys will get this, which pretty much tells you how to use it. Pretty standard though. I will be making a video of how to use it as well, sure. But the most important video I think I will be making later on will be comparing this legit Apple brand one to the ones that you can get for $3 or $4 versus this $40 adapter from Apple. From what I can tell you right away, just by looking at it, it feels just as the $3 or $4 ones. No big difference about how it feels. I'm not talking about how it performs, just how it feels at my first glance at it. So you might need this type of adapter depending for what you guys want to use it. And yes, it's not just for iPhones, iPads, this works as well. So you can use this for an iPad. That's the both ends. Again, this is called a camera adapter. However, it doesn't work just for cameras. It works with a lot of USB devices. So here's the box and here's the adapter right beside it. As you guys can see, the drawing on the box itself, it's a really good representation of how big this adapter actually is. It is a very short wire, but usually we don't want anything longer than that. And although it is Apple branded, there's no Apple logos anywhere to be seen, which is normal, not even on this end. So I really want to show you how an original one looks, because the third-party ones, sometimes they try to trick you and they have those Apple logos right here on the ends or right here. That doesn't mean it's original. That just means they did a bad copy. Anyways, that would be it for this really quick unboxing. Hopefully you guys got a glance at how this looks like. We will be doing a review later on, and that's it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.